Right now, I want to invite Justin, Chief Technology Officer of Equinix, to join me to share what we're doing together with Equinix. Justin.
Hello, Jay.
Great. Equinix has been a great partner from the very early days of Zscaler. When we wanted to build a cloud, we actually chose Equinix as our preferred partners. So a lot of our technology is sitting at Equinix data centers. In fact, your map looks fabulous.
Thank you.
Look at that. You're everywhere.
Well, thank you, Jay. Thank you for the great continued partnership, and what a great collaboration it has been. So who are we? Equinix is a global digital infrastructure platform where we have about over 240 highly reliable data centers, and also a global software-defined backbone network connecting all of this together, and also enabling a cloud on-ramp connectivity. Today, we enable about 40% of cloud on-ramp connectivity, and about 375,000 instances of interconnection happen on our platform among customers and onto the cloud. And in addition to that, we also offer VNFs as a service, also bare metal as a service. And throughout our journey, we have really been trying to take the friction away for practitioners who are trying to build hybrid, distributed, multi-cloud infrastructure. And in our own journey of digital transformation, we have been looking to leverage the latest and greatest technologies that can enable us to enjoy also a magical experience. And in that process, obviously, we looked at Zscaler. And our great CISO team over the years, we have been partnering for about 10 years now, really had this vision of evolving our infrastructure for our security and secure interconnection consumption from a box-based, point solution-based architecture to a cloud-native, software-enabled, programmable, customizable platform where our entire employee user base can actually enjoy secure any-to-any connectivity to access internet with great policy-based capabilities, as well as full end-to-end visibility onto our platform. And that has been part of a great partnership that we've been enjoying. And as part of that process, we thought, there is so much more that we can do together. And we said, why don't we take this to the next level and actually apply Zscaler to some of our own solutions? Yep. For example, Network Edge, where we actually can run a number of security and networking capabilities as VMs on top of an infrastructure that we manage for our customers. So we liked Zscaler so much that we said, let's put these two things together, better together, and let's see how it works. And we have actually been liking it so much that we are now partnering together to offer that to a broader customer base. All of you guys, hopefully, and our great customers can hopefully benefit from this. And a number of use cases can easily be met without much friction and with a great magical experience, whether it's regulatory or compliance-based use cases or disaster recovery, or when customers want to have their own source IP authentication and addresses. And I'm sure the range of use cases is much longer than this.
So Justin, if I could add, I meet many customers who say, I love your cloud, but I must keep control of this inspection private service edge. And my data centers are going away. But I do business with Equinix. In fact, my traffic goes through Equinix. They asked us, say, can you work with Equinix so I can host the private service edge for ZIA or ZPA to handle my requirements, which may be regulatory. Or the other use case came up is disaster recovery. In fact, I'm a big fan of disaster recovery to be done right. And those things, because of our partnership, it makes it easy for you as customers to be able to take advantage of that. So we are excited about it. In fact, as Equinix is a customer, they actually implemented this first as customer 0. So their traffic goes through it, so they're able to make sure they're comfortable before we go announce to the market.
Absolutely. We have tried this, and it works great. I'll be happy to share what we learned through this journey and how it can actually enable you to achieve what we are trying to achieve internally. And in addition to that, as I mentioned, the world is really going toward the hybrid distributed multi-cloud infrastructure as the architecture of choice. We see that across our 10,000 customer base. And in that journey, as enterprises are trying to deploy and scale and manage this distributed infrastructure, we see that managing the layers of security and connectivity for hybrid multi-cloud is still not a truly magical experience. There is still a lot of friction. And again, we are partnering together to really take that friction away and make a secure cloud-to-cloud and hybrid multi-cloud interconnection an easy and enjoyable experience for our users.
That's right. If I may add something, many of the customers I talk to use Equinix to connect to multiple cloud providers. And we're sitting in the same data center.
Absolutely.
Okay. So now the next level was, connectivity is there. Could Zscaler provide zero trust connectivity, essentially an overlay network running on top of Equinix underlay network? A fascinating thing, makes it easy to do. And I'll mention another thing. What Equinix has done for provisioning, literally, it's a couple of clicks, things happen. I've been fascinated by the way you have built that.
Thank you so much, Jay, and it's been a great partnership again. Together, we are trying to offer that magical software-enabled cloud-native, digital-native experience so we can enable you, customers, and community to really focus on what you do great, building great apps for the world.
Wonderful, Justin.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Looking forward to continuing our partnership.
Yes.
Take care.